In today's quick video, we're going to take a look at Fable over at AppSumo. Fable is designed to create interactive demos and step-by-step guides to drive more conversion. It is a one-time deal on AppSumo. It's about creating interactive demos. Now, the idea, or at a glance, who this is for, best for customer support, marketers, and SaaS. The reason it says SaaS is because what it does is it records your screen, or it captures the workflow of a process that you're doing on a SaaS or anything that is served up through a web page. And that's what I want to show you today, sort of a demo, and then talk about the things that I like and the things that I don't like, or actually not so much the things that I don't like, but just when you log in to Fable, well, you see here they have some demo cases here, marketing case, a sales case, and then a learning and development use case. You do need to install the Chrome extension to make this work. Then after you install the Chrome extension, it'll be the little button that you see right here. Fable creates step-by-step interactive demos and guides in 5 minutes. And then what I want to show you is this demo, and this is interactive. So this is the demo that I created, and you can click here to edit the demo. But I just want to walk through this demo because what I did is I opened up Google Docs and I wanted to go through the process of creating a document and then downloading it as a PDF. That PDF I created is right here. It is basically just me adding an emoji and then downloading this as a PDF. So that's what you do inside of Fable, and then you have this interactive demo. So then you would send this to a customer or to a prospect to show them how to do this thing, and this thing is create a document. Next, you would insert an emoji, and you can see it's just walking me through here, and I can either click on next or the emoji, and it takes me through the process of adding this emoji to this document and then naming the document and then going to the next step, which is going to be saving it as a PDF and then open it or saving this as a file. And you can see the 9 steps there that it went through. And then here you can see that it says, or you write a brief description of what your buyer should expect from this particular module of your product. So it's the last step. Then here's the lead capture or the conversion part where it actually allows me to book a demo, go to a sales page, or capture an email address. But that's the idea behind Fable when you pick up a one-time or pick up the one-time plan or AppSumo, and a link in the description, is to create these interactive demos and step-by-step guides like the one that you just saw. So all that to set up going back to Google Docs and actually walking you through this process. Of course, here is the Chrome extension. You simply just click this Chrome extension, and it's going to launch the extension here that says record the demo. And I'm going to scroll this back up so we have some more screen real estate. And it says here, record a new demo. Here I'm going to click record a demo. It's going to start a countdown, and you can see it's going to record in full HTML of my screen, and I simply need to click. It has a little message here that says this is going to show you that you need to click the Chrome extension to start or to stop it. But to do this again, I'm going to create a blank document. I'm going to click that, and then here it's going to open up that document, and I'm going to go here. I'm going to insert a different emoji so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. Here I'm going to go ahead and just pick a heart emoji, and then I'm going to go up and I'm going to save the document. There you can see it did what Google Docs does. I'm going to change that to heart, and then I'm going to click on File, Download as a PDF, and it's going to download that PDF. It's not actually going to show that step here. And then to stop that, I'm going to bring this back into the screen. You simply just click the Fable Chrome extension again. It's going to stop it. It's going to say stop recording or delete recording. It's going to say stop recording, finishing that recording, and then it's going to open up the Fable app in your web browser in a new tab, and it's going to show you the demo. It's going to show you what it's recorded, and you're going to see here everything in real time as I'm doing it, so you understand exactly what you're getting. Again, if you go over to the link in the description, it's going to take you over here, and this is about creating interactive demos for customer support, so to help customers, but also for marketers to show people simple how-to demos to do a thing in a SaaS. So if you have a SaaS or a cloud-based solution and you're a marketer and you're doing customer support for that cloud-based solution, or you're an affiliate and you're marketing that solution, and you're also helping customers out after they purchase through your link, or if you sell your own product, any product out there, or you're doing customer support, maybe you're a coaching, or you're a coach and you have coaching clients, then it creates this demo. And then here it says your interactive demo is on its way. Save as a new demo. We're going to go ahead and save that. Here, this was open a Google Doc and add a heart emoji and save as PDF. And I think I misspelled emoji. So we'll go ahead and change that and then say next. And then you pick the colors. These are the annotation box that you saw in my demo. You can pick these different colors so you can customize it. So for example, say we want this red one here. Then you have these two different options from the red. This is a square. These here, you can probably see they're a little curved off. We'll go ahead and we will select that. Here this thing says pop up. Oh, that's something inside of Google Chrome. We'll ignore that. Here we're going to say next to this. The emojis are done, so we're going to say create interactive demo. Now it's going to create the demo. You saw those slides pop up real quick. That's how you edit it. But now here you can see this is a demo that we did together. And here it says write a brief description of what your buyer should expect from this particular module of your product. We're going to change that to say click here to open up a new Google Doc. But I'm going to show you here what it recorded, and it recorded the process step by step of everything that I did. And again, this is the screen recording. Just so you understand, and scroll down here, then at any point when we get through to the next stage, right, it's going to show us each stage of it. And then what we want to do is we want to edit these steps. We go here and we click Edit Demo. Now it's going to take us into the demo or the edit phase. And then you can see here each of the stages or each of the steps here inside of the demo. And I need to zoom out a little bit there. And you can see all of the steps that it created, all 8 of them. And then you're going to click on the first one, and this is going to start the editing process. Then here's where you edit the demo or edit the animation. So here it says write a brief description. Remember, we're editing. So now you're going to go over here and you're going to say, click here to open a new Google Doc. And then now it's going to change here, over here, and it's going to be the instructions in your demonstration. Now, there are lots of other things here. There's branding. You can add branding, change colors, different font colors. So, for example, the background color, if we didn't like that, we could change that. It's going to change the different color here, or it's supposed to change the color. You may have to save that. No, it instantly changed. So you can see now it changed to brown. You have the call to actions here, next or back. You can change the buttons as well. Has different effects, on-screen effects, sizing and positioning. There's this thing here called a hotspot. This is if the element is made a hotspot. User can click on the element to go to the next annotation. So effectively what you're doing there is you could say you could click here or you could click here. And then there's some advanced stuff here as well, different overlays and entry points. But there's lots of things you can do, but I just want to focus on the basic idea here of editing this. To change the first step, to click here to open a new Google Doc. Then we're going to go ahead and move to the next one. And we're going to say here where it says write a brief description of what your buyer should expect or the person you're training. Here we're going to say click to insert emoji. And I misspelled emoji again. But you get the idea. It's going to change there. And then you simply come up here and you can click preview to look at your changes, or you can click publish. And then what you've done is you publish this, and you can embed this in a landing page as an iframe, or you can open this tab using this link right here, and it's going to open it up in a new browser. And then you would just share this link right here. You would just share this link out with people or your customers or the people that you're trying to show a process, a simple process. So maybe once they see this simple process, then they book a call with you, or they buy your product, or you add them to an email list. But you can see here, click here to open a new Google Doc. Now we've edited that, we've changed it. The next thing is next. Click to insert the emoji. You can click here. This is the hotspot. You can either click insert or you can click next. But you can see here, I edited that. It's now brown, but now it's going to change in the next step. We didn't edit that. So it's going to be, or change the brown for everything for the entire brand. But you can see, write a brief description of what your buyer should expect from this particular module of the product. It's going to walk you through this process, and you're going to see all of this step by step of how to create this document. And it is just simply that. It's this cool interactive editable HTML document that you can then send to a customer or to a lead. And then here you can see book a demo, book a call, get on an email list, join my group. But to go back to that demo editor, one of the cool things about this is fully in HTML. So check this out. If I click on this element, here I can edit this element by clicking edit. I can then click on this. So let's say that this changed. So say Google Docs changed this from insert to some other word, right? So a synonym of insert. So it could be like put here, right? Maybe Google Docs changed this, or maybe on your demo software, you changed the title of this element on the menu. This recording doesn't need to change. This screencast, this interactive demo, you just go in here and you just edit it. And now this link says put here, and then you just go ahead and you preview that now. It's going to open up this. And again, it's going to be the same link that you sent out. It's going to be the same process here to open the Google Doc. But check this out. You didn't have to re-record the screencast. You just changed the element that changed in your document or that changed in your software or on your web page. Instead of insert, it said put here. So that is really how cool Fable is, and quickly at a glance of who it's for and why you might like this product, why you might be able to use this product. Fable has different tiers right now up on AppSumo, 3 different licensing. If you scroll down and check out the plan details, you're going to see here, so make sure you get only what you need. But one of the things that you might be interested in is the blur and hide elements and the Zapier integration. Definitely for me, those are things that I would definitely like to have. The blur and hide element, you do not get that in the license 1 tier. So make sure that you also understand, or to get a custom lead form, you're going to need to get the custom tier, and that is $249, but it is a one-time purchase of Fable over at AppSumo to create these interactive demo and step-by-step guides, just like I did here in this simple review video to show you how Fable works. Thanks for tuning into this video. Hope it was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.